Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime video subscription using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the settings app on your phone. Once you are in, tap on your name at the top of your screen. Then tap on subscriptions. Here you will see a list of your subscribed apps. Find and tap Amazon Prime Video. Tap cancel subscription, then confirm. After cancelling, you can still watch Prime videos until the end of billing period. You won't be charged again unless you resubscribe. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.